So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm about to slay this wig. You feel me? Okay? We about to slay, y'all. We about to slay. Y'all slaying with me? Good, because we about to slay. Pull up.
Traces of Sha. I promise to leave my mark everywhere I go. You may not see me there, but trust me, you're gonna know I was there. Welcome to my channel.
Today I'm doing a wig review. As you can see from the title, this is a wig that I ordered online, and I will leave the link down below so you can order this wig as well.
The first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure your hair is all brushed out. Then I'll be taking my comb and parting the line straight down the middle. And it's okay if you don't get it for your first try.
Three days later.
This is what your part should look like. We're going to be using our Eco Style gel along with our Got To Be Ultra Glued. So right here I'm going to be taking my Got To Be glue and just putting it on the front of my hair, which is the part that we're going to be keeping outside of our wig. You then want to take your Eco Style gel and put it all over the back of your hair. That way your hair can lay flat under your wig. Don't mind my laugh. My aunt was just coming to refill my liquor cup. She knows what's up. So now I'm just going to be taking my paddle brush and smoothing out the back of my hair. And as you can see, that doesn't go well for me. So now I'm going to be taking a regular brush, which also helps to smooth out the back of my hair. So this is a brush that you use for your edges that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to be using this to smoothen out the front of my hair, which again is the part that we're going to be leaving outside of our wigs. So then you just want to take your ponytail holder and put your hair in a ponytail. You want to make sure you're doing a regular ponytail and not a bun, so that way the back of your ponytail can be left out. So you want to go ahead and take your stocking cap, which I got mine in the color Auburn. Now I usually go a little darker, but for some reason this time I decided to go a little lighter. Now when you put your stocking cap on, you want to make sure that it's on halfway. You don't want to cover the part that we were smoothing out to leave outside of our wigs. So now you're just going to be taking the hair that was hanging outside of your ponytail and just making sure that it was upwards. Make sure that it's smooth and flat because you don't want a knot hanging outside of your wig. So if it looks like this, then you did a good job. You did okay. So this is the wig that I ordered. I ordered Anya in a color 1B. And I'm just going to be taking it out of the package to show you guys how long this wig is. You have your two combs in the front, and of course you have one at the bottom. So I did go ahead and put this on a mannequin and cut the lace. You want to cut the lace, but you don't want to cut all of it off. So now I'm just going to be taking the adjustable straps and adjusting it to where I feel like it can fit my head. Now this wig does seem like it's big hair friendly, so just keep that in mind. So you want to go ahead and put the wig on, but you want to remember, once you put the wig on, you want to line up the part in the wig with the part of your natural hair. So I didn't like the parting of the wig, so what I'm going to do is just take my comb and run it down the middle. Whatever hair comes out from that, I'm just going to be pulling it out little by little. Make sure you don't pull out a lot at a time because then you will leave a hole in your wig and you don't want that to happen. I'm sorry y'all, I just had to pat my makeup. It's hot as hell in this bathroom, but I've been thugging it out. You want to take your spritz and just spray that on the top of your wig. So now I'm just taking my flat iron and flattening the top of my wig so that way it won't look like a cone. And if you wear wigs a lot, you definitely know what I'm talking about. Can you see the difference? Because I definitely can. So now I'm going to be taking my concealer and putting it down a part of my wig so that way it can look a little bit more natural. I want to take the side of your pinky and make sure that it's blended all out. So now I'm just going to be using my Got2b glue once again, and I'm just going to be putting that on the line of demarcation. Now for those of you who don't know what a line of demarcation is, it's literally where you cut the lace at. So putting the Got2b glue there is just going to blend in the line a little bit more and make sure that it looks a little bit more natural. So now you want to use the tip of your edge brush and pull out a little bit of hair from the tip of your wig and just brush it all in together. Make sure that it's blended in really, really well together. So now I'm just going to be taking the tip of my flat iron and pressing it into my line of demarcation. That way, mixed with the Got2b glue, it's melted just a little bit and it's going to make sure that it's really, really natural looking. Once you're done, your wig should look like this. And that's a little darker because that's where my stocking cap ends, but that is okay. Nobody should be all up in your head like that anyway. But if your wig look like this, then girl, you slayed it. Congratulations.